Today we'll study about covalent bond. In the last video, I explained you about ionic or electrovalent bond. Now you have understood that ionic bond is formed by the combination of two ions, and it is formed when complete transfer of electrons take place. One of the participating atoms donates the electron and the other one will accept the electron. We had also seen that the bond was formed between metals and non-metals because metals have the tendency to donate the electrons and non-metals have the tendency to accept the electrons. Now, what happens if the two non-metals want to form a molecule? So when two non-metals want to form the molecule, then they will be sharing their electrons, and the bond formed by sharing of electrons is known as covalent bond. This is also known as molecular bond. The reason is because no ions are formed, and by combination of atoms the molecule is formed. Now this bond is formed by sharing of electrons. The sharing of electrons can be one electron can be shared by each participating atom. When one electron is shared, the bond formed is known as single covalent bond. If two pairs of electrons are shared by the two participating atoms, then a double covalent bond is formed, and when three pairs of electrons are shared between the two participating atoms which are forming molecules, it is called a triple covalent bond. Now one by one we are going to study about single, double and triple covalent bond. So the first one is single covalent bond. Single covalent bond, as I told you, it is formed when one pair of electrons is shared. One pair will be formed by sharing one electron from each atom. So for example, hydrogen molecule formation we will see. Hydrogen, as we know, is the simplest of all the elements which contains only one electron in its first shell. So we also know that the reason for bond formation is that the participating atoms want to get that electronic configuration like that of the nearest noble gas. The nearest noble gas to hydrogen is helium, and we know that the first orbit can have maximum 2 electrons. So hydrogen atom wants to get 2 electrons in its first shell so that it becomes chemically stable. So two hydrogen atoms come together, both with one electron each in their first shell, and both of those want to get 2 electrons in their first shell. So the two hydrogen atoms come closer and they overlap. The orbits of the hydrogen atoms overlap in such a way that both the electrons will belong to both hydrogen atoms for equal amount of time. The two electrons will go to the hydrogen atom, the one hydrogen atom, and the next one also, the second hydrogen atom also will have the 2 electrons, which results in the formation of hydrogen molecule. We can see that only one pair of electrons is shared here, which results in the formation of a single covalent bond with the formation of hydrogen molecule.